Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss PE and Health 10, Term 1, Lesson 3, Week 5 and 6 of Deped Matatag curriculum. Let's begin. Developing and deepening understanding. Worked example. What is esports? Example of esports games. Brief history of esports. Early beginnings. Watch this video. 1952 OXO. Tennis for two. The first esports tournament. (1972) Intergalactic Space War Olympics. Growth of competitive gaming. (1980) Space Invaders Championship.
Who will be battling it out on the Atari home computer games. The winner gets to keep the machine that he's playing on, and the chance to take part in the Atari National Championships in London at Easter.
Our 5-star troopers are ready to blast off, but first, let's meet them.
Imagine a time
LAN
when online
parties.
gaming was still in its infancy, and gathering with friends for a night of gaming meant dragging your desktop computer to someone's house. That's right, we're talking about the golden age of LAN parties. At the heart of every LAN party was the gear, bulky CRT monitors that took up half the desk.
World's 2024 event trailer, League of Legends.
Is this really happening?
Dedication.
This series has taken a turn!
Community.
And he still lives on!
Belief is what sets the stage.
Objectives of esports. Basic strategies in esports. Number 1. Know the game. Number 2. Know your role. Number 3. Communicate effectively. Number 4. Plan ahead. Important skills in esports. Number 1. Hand-eye coordination. Number 2. Fast reflexes. Number 3. Strategic thinking. Number 4. Problem solving. Number 5. Teamwork. Number 6. Communication. Number 7. Self-belief. Number 8. Self-management and resilience. What is esports tournament? The beginning of esports tournaments. 1999, Gamers Gathering, Duisburg, Germany. Biggest esports tournaments. Famous esports tournaments. The International Dota 2. Fortnite World Cup. League of Legends World Championship. ESL 1 Dota 2. Why esports become so popular? Frequently asked questions. Developing and deepening understanding. Lesson activity. Activity, small group presentation. Instructions. Rubric. Follow-up activity, gameplay session, Mobile Legends. Objectives, materials. Instructions. Gameplay reflection worksheet. Part 1. Team performance. Part 2. Processing questions. Rubric for gameplay practice. Making generalizations, learners' takeaways. Let's reflect what we learned. Common errors in esports. Number 1. Lack of communication. Number 2. Ineffective role performance. Number 3. Poor decision making. Making generalizations, reflection on learning. Activity, exit ticket. Evaluating learning, formative assessment. Beginner group worksheet. Intermediate group worksheet. Watch this video. M5 World Championship Grand Finals. Onyx vs APBR Game 7.
Sirain yung pattern at kailangan din ng mga bullet dito at hanapin ni Owen kung nasan yung mga players from Onyx. So sinabi natin, nauna mag-level 2. Simple lang easy, by the way.
Naman kasi talaga yung paggalit eh.
Oo, tsaka yung ano,
Advanced group worksheet. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.